standing? Get up to these people. No, don't. It's okay. Advise the numbers are always been there. Numbers are for giving us support, but you, yes, we are all happy. Thank you, Penny. We are okay, happy and fine. Some regime apologists have been moving propaganda that Kyagulanyi didn't sleep outside like it was reported. Yes, some regime apologists, like I was telling you before the network interrupted, have tried to move propaganda that Kyagulanyi was not indeed denied hotel services in Nigeria last night. But they are so shameless because everything was live on camera. Everything was reported on both mainstream and online media. You can't hide the truth nowadays. They were saying that the police never blocked Kyagulanyi from accessing his hotel where he had booked to sleep. But all this is described as a sign of a crumbling regime, like everyone has always described it. Network is kind of jumpy. The network is kind jumpy. skippy, it keeps on skipping, going on and off. But we shall bring you all that we can.
No, but how can I talk to people I don't know? No, officer, you that is